Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today we're doing a tutorial on this makeup look. I hope you will enjoy. I've done my best already because I feel like at this point it's kind of boring to see me do it over and over. I'll have a list of all the products I used in the description down below. Let's head on straight to the eye look. I want to do something different today, so I'm going to use my well-loved face paint kit. I got this for like £6 on Amazon. It works fine. Yeah, it's nothing special, but also it works. I'll use the pink today, though I don't normally wear pink, but I do look good in pink. This is a curse of my life because I actually don't like pink, but for some reason pink makeup actually looks good on me, like pink color in general. It's too girly for me, but what can I do? It's going to be a very delicate kind of look. It's still gonna be my style, which is a lot of makeup, but it's gonna be like a softer look for me. It won't be subtle, but it will be soft. I don't know if that makes any sense. Let's just do it. This is the vision in my head, but I don't know if it will work on my eye because it's so hooded. I think that's kind of cool. This might change. What about the inner corner? The same thing but smaller. I suddenly felt the desire to line the top lash line, but now I realized I'm gonna put the eyeshadow. I'm gonna try to do this on the other side, the same, but we all know by now symmetry is not my thing. I'm gonna start by lining because then probably I'll have a better angle. I'm saying that like I know something about symmetry, you know. I know absolutely nothing. What I'm gonna try to do, I don't know myself. What am I gonna do to make it symmetrical? Yeah, it's not symmetrical at all. What did I expect? I think it's this one that's the problem actually. Just take it off. Nobody is gonna know. I should do ASMR makeup again. Did you guys watch that? ASMR makeup. I have one short to do in ASMR makeup. This is not the same either. This is very hard to do. I have to keep it like that. I don't know what to do. Did you guys enjoy the ASMR break? That was for my sanity. This is not the same at all, right? But let's just leave it like that. Oh, no, I'm scared to do the other side. I committed to a line. It's too late if I want to change it now. Honestly, it could be worse. So I'm not mad about that. I'm just gonna try to fix it up a bit. You know, honestly, it could be worse. So I'm just going to go with what I have. Yeah, it's not symmetrical at all. Fuck it. Let's just go with this. This is my life. It will never be symmetrical, no matter how much I try. So why am I trying? I'm going to use this palette because it has a very nice pink in it. This pink eyeshadow, I'm gonna just fill in the gaps here and just run it along the liner. And also here in the small liner. I'm gonna put the liner on again on top, but just for it to have some sparkle underneath. I'm also going to run this underneath. I want to blend this out with the lighter pink. So this very, very old Max Factor palette. It has one that's perfect for this because it goes on the eye basically as just a sparkle, but it's got like a pink undertone. So I'm using like a fluffy brush to blend this. Oh, this looks really pretty. Hi, meet an idiot. Me. I forgot to turn on the camera for the next clip. What I did is I took a very small brush and used this hot pink color to blend out the edges of the eyeliner. Blended out the lines with this here and on the inner corner and added some hot pink here. And then took this brush again and blended towards the inside so it's nice and soft. I always do something stupid when I make my videos. I'm sorry I don't have it filmed, but I already did it on both sides and I'm an idiot. I admit it. I'm gonna take my eyeliner again and I'm just going to sharpen the edges of whatever kind of got blended. I feel like the bottom on this one should be bigger. Watch me fuck up everything now. Actually, it looks better. I think it's the first time that I try to fix something and it looks better. Now we need a concealer and a synthetic brush, and I'm going to sharpen this line a little bit. The outside of this wing, it just looks cleaner. I'm gonna do the same on this side, just on the outside. I know I put sparkle there, but I feel like it should be sharper. Just a touch. I feel like I want to put the rhinestones there on that inner corner. I think it will look cool. Okay, I think that looks cleaner and it looks a little better. Still not symmetrical, but you know, it's not the butterfly's fault or whatever this is. Anyways, I'm gonna use some of that concealer to conceal this under eye as well. Just bring it a little bit here, because otherwise I'm getting an epic panda eye. I'm going to do eyebrows and eyelashes. Eyelashes and eyebrows done. I just did a corner lash and a very soft arch eyebrow. I'm just going to throw on some powder under the eyes and forehead, like middle of the forehead, right here, sides of the nose and chin. It's usually where I powder. Let's move on to the actual face makeup, and I think I want to use this pink eyeshadow as blush. I'm gonna take a big brush, pinch it and dip it in, and then kind of incorporate it into the brush on my hand. I'm gonna start with a small amount because it's eyeshadow, so I don't know how it's gonna actually behave on the face. Even though it's a small amount, because it's eyeshadow and not actual blush, it does already give a very fresh feel to the face. I think this actually works as blush. It's really pretty. I will do my usual contour, very soft shade for me. I don't want anything harsh on the cheek. For the lips, I want to do something more orangey. Don't know why. I just feel the vibe will be good. Yeah, there was a slight temptation to do pink, but then I thought it would be too much. I just love when I have just lip liner on. I'm thinking, what the F am I doing? Do you think that too when you're applying lip liner? I hope I'm not alone. I always think, what the heck am I doing? But then it comes out looking good, so. And yes, I do overline a lot. I like it. Let me live. I know this is more pink than orange for now, but just, okay, this is more orange. Actually, it looks more nude. It's an orangey nude. Can we agree on that? I actually really like this together, the colors. I think this works. Huh, I might be a color genius. Color genius and a recording idiot. Yep, that's me. I want to add some more details to the eyes, aka rhinestones. I don't know how many times I'm going to do this before I learn to close this bloody box, because I spilled half of them again. Still falling. Guys, let me know if you like ASMR and if you want me to do a whole makeup tutorial with ASMR voice, because I'll do it. Where do I even want to put them? I feel like I might ruin the look. Should I even put rhinestones? Okay, I'm gonna do 3 right here because I think that's gonna look cute. Honestly, I don't know why I keep applying rhinestones in my tutorials when I know exactly that I hate working with rhinestones. It annoys me so much to have to put them on, and just the fact that it just does not want to work. Like, no matter what you do, the rhinestones just live their own life. But for some reason, whenever you put them on, the look just transforms into something better. Now I feel like I need rhinestones in other places. You know what? Maybe here. Also 3. Is it gonna be bad? Doing it anyways. This is a bad idea. Does it look cute? Oh, this actually looks cute. Okay, I'm keeping this. My neighbors, whenever I walk out of the house in these looks, they are looking very strangely at me. But then again, this is London, so most of the people don't give a fuck how you look like. Like here in London, you literally can go to a shop in a pajama and nobody will care. I love that about London. Last finishing touch, I will put a skin toned liner in my waterline because it looks a little reddish without it. Should I put more blush on? Maybe. Yes. I like blush too much. I think this is a problem. But it doesn't look like a problem right now to me. It looks like a solution. More blush is the solution. I think this is really cute right now, especially with more blush. I think it came out really good. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials and makeup content in general. And I will see you next time. Hi guys, it's Beatty.
The motorcycle is outside and I cannot film.
Who rides a motorcycle at 9 p.m? Can you stop? Mr. Motorcycle Guy, why are you so mean?
Shut it!
He's still doing it. How rude.